This is a prototype for a microwave transformer spot welder. It's a transformer that I got out of a 1100 watt microwave. It has 2-gauge welding wire in it, and that's hooked up to two 4-gauge wires that are going to be connected to the spot welding pin that's on order. To trigger the transformer, I'm going to be using a solid state relay. It's going to be controlled by an Arduino Uno. Also have two potentiometers. One is going to be used to control the start time, and the other will be used to control the duration of the weld. I'm going to be seeing the settings on the LCD. Also going to have it hooked up to mains power with a 9-volt adapter being used for the Arduino. This is just a temporary arrangement. Soon I'll be designing and building a better, nicer enclosure with a built-in fan and 3D printed control panel. This is just a proof of concept because I've always been taught make it functional before you make it pretty. Hopefully stay tuned, and thanks for watching.